The best repair shop in Canoga Park to fix cracked alloy wheels due to flat tires in a BMW. A particular issue that BMW owners tend to encounter is cracked alloy wheels, especially when it comes to flat tires. This occurs because alloy wheels are not as durable as other kinds of wheels and have a tendency to crack under pressure. Solutions for cracked alloy wheel. A car's wheels are the metal hubs that are permanently attached to the car's axles. The tires actually touch the ground and gain traction that allows the vehicle to move forward. Wheels come in all sorts of sizes and colors, from 16-inch shiny alloys with spokes to 19 inches in black matte. How crack happen in alloys? With the amount of pressure a car's wheels are under all the time, it is unsurprising that cracks happen. Alloy wheels, in particular because of their lightweight nature, crack easily. Their light weight allows for more control over acceleration and stopping, but the drawback is the fragility. When the wheels crack, it's usually because of unavoidable dangers like potholes, curbs, or large bumps. If you suspect damage to your wheels. When the damage occurs, the only thing to do is to take the vehicle to a trusted and knowledgeable BMW mechanic. They will be able to determine the severity of the damage and whether the wheels need to be replaced or repaired. If the crack on the alloy wheel is small and not too deep, it can probably be repaired pretty quickly. However, deep gouges will require the wheel to be replaced. How to get help with your BMW's cracked alloy wheels. Alloy wheels are also affordable and come in a much wider array of styles than sturdier wheels. You simply need to keep in mind how you are driving and be careful not to hit too many bumps. Avoiding larger wheels can help, as that means the tire will be taking more of the impact than the wheel itself. Euro Plus Automotive for your alloy wheels. If you do find yourself with a cracked wheel, Euro Plus Automotive would be delighted to find a fix. We are located in Canoga Park, California, and are happy to provide services to clients all over Los Angeles County.